Welcome to our second session. After discussing market segmentation, now we learn targeting market. In this session, we learn that what is the necessary of targeting a market. Number 2, what is targeting market? Number 3, what is the strategy of a targeting market? And last one is why targeting market is so important for company. A company cannot focus on all area of the market. The company can satisfy only limited segments. The area the company wants to serve are called target markets. And the process of selecting a target market is called market targeting. Market segmentation divides the total market into various segments or parts. Such elements may be on the basis of customer characteristics or product characteristics or both. Once the market is divided into various segments, the company has to evaluate various segments and decide how many and which one to target. It is simply an act or process of selecting a target market. What is targeting? Market targeting is a process of selecting the target market from across the market. The target market consists of a group or group of buyers for whom the company wants to satisfy or for whom the product is manufactured. Price is set, promotion efforts are made, and a distribution network is created. We're taking an example on Titan company. Titan targets different customer segments with different brands. Titan Raga for women, Fast Track for youth, and Sonata for those who want value for money. What is the strategy to targeting a market? The three general strategies for selecting target markets. Number 1, undifferentiated targeting. Number 2, concentrated targeting. And number 3, multi-segment targeting. Point 1 is undifferentiated targeting. A market coverage strategy in which a firm decided to ignore market segment differences and go after the whole market with one offer. In this case, company focus not on how the needs of customer differ from each other, but rather on the similarity they have. This strategy best fits business that develop products and marketing programs for large market segments that will reach a ton of people. In example, we're taking famous brands and manufacturers for everyday products use mass marketing, so let's find out how exactly they do it. Example 1, Colgate. The company sells a widely used personal care product like toothpaste and reaps the benefits of its successful strategy. Toothpaste is a product that does not have any age category or a particular group of people who use it. So there is no need to segment customers as a result. The brand has a big audience. We're taking an example on Coca-Cola. The world-known multinational corporation founded in 1892. The Coca-Cola uses mass marketing. The company represents a single product to the market, a carbonated soft drink. The brand has done and continue to do a lot of from its product to a huge number of customers worldwide who are ready to buy this famous drink. Over the year, the product has changes its label, appearance, bottle shape, armora and taste, but continue to sell in record numbers. What is concentrated targeting? Marketing focused is a strategy that involves a brand putting all efforts and resources into developing and marketing products into a specific segment of the target audience. This strategy is practically effective for small businesses as it helps is achieving a good position in a marketing segment. Focused marketing, whose main purpose is to make an offer for a specific segment, comes with many benefits for small companies. The strategy also allows small businesses and startups to operate with limited resources. The luxurious car manufacturer was established in Britain. Rolls-Royce known as a thing or two about concentrated marketing. The brand has customers in more than 120 countries and is well known for the quality and price of its cars. The Rolls-Royce targets customers with liquid assets of at least $30 million. This car manufacturer reaches their clients using personally signed letters. The brand sells approximately 1800 cars per year. The last one is multi-segment targeting. The multi-segment targeting firm that to choose to serve two or more well-defined market segments and develop a distinct marketing mix for each has a multi-segment targeting strategy. We're taking an example on Horlicks. Horlicks was the historically available as a health drink targeting children from 8 to 14 years. Over the years, the brand has segmented its customers into various core groups based on the type of the value they seek from the food drink. Why targeting is so important? Targeting is important in marketing because it is a part of the overall marketing strategy. This affects advertising as well as customer experience, branding, and business operations. When your company focuses on target market segmentation, let's discuss about important points like speak directly to a defined audience, attract and convert high quality leads, build deeper customer loyalty, improve products and services, and stay focused.